How to follow people on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can follow people on Roblox. In order to do so, firstly open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, type in roblox.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Roblox. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top, you'll be able to locate the search bar. Click on the search bar and there type in the name of the person you would like to follow. Once you have entered the name of the person, here you will get the search suggestions below. Make sure to select in people option. Once you select it, now you will be presented with the search results in this page. From here, you will need to find the person whom you would like to follow. Once you find the person, you will need to simply click on their profile picture in order to view their profile. Their profile section, you will be able to locate three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Simply click on these three dots and from the drop down menu, here you will need to select the follow option. Simply click on this follow and then you will see you have successfully followed the person on Roblox. Also, if the user have restricted the settings, you may not be able to follow them. You may need to complete a security check before following someone. So by following these steps, you should be able to follow people on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.